Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create an animated text video in Canva, right? So as you can see, we have just selected a blank image template in Canva and now we are just going to search for travel. So I have just searched for travel in the elements, and as you can see there are lots of images. We have simply selected this one and now I'm just going to set this image as background. Now we are going to animate it, right? So we have selected animation and then photo zoom effect. Both on enter or exit we can increase the speed as well, right? And now we are just going to add a frame, square frame from the elements. Okay, there are lots of frames available. We are going into graphics and from here you can select any of the frame whatever you want, right? So for example, I have just selected this one, right? And here I'm going to write the text travel vlog. Okay, we are going to increase its size, change the color to white. We can also change the color of this box as well, right? We can add outline if you think it is required, right? Or you can add a drop as well, right? You can reduce the blur. It's done. Similarly you can do with this as well. Okay, now we are just selecting both the elements together, the text and the frame, and then we are going to click on animate, and here we are just adding wipe animation, right? We can reduce the speed or increase the speed as per our requirement, right? So this is how you can simply add a text animation in a video using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.